Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Are you tired of waiting forever for your garden walls and spaces to fill up with blooms? Well, I've got some fantastic news for you. Today, we're talking about the best fast-growing flowering vines that will transform your garden into a floral paradise in no time. Let's dive in. Climbing Hydrangea. First up, we have the Climbing Hydrangea. This beauty might take a few years to hit its stride, but once it does, it grows like wildfire, up to 2 to 3 feet per year. Imagine your garden adorned with stunning white lacy blooms reaching up to 50 feet high. Next, the queen of climbers, Clematis. With a growth rate of 3 to 5 feet per year, Clematis comes in a variety of colors like white, blue, violet, and purple. Just give it plenty of sunlight and watch it thrive. Purple Passionflower. For something truly eye-catching, check out the Purple Passionflower. This hardy vine grows 5 to 10 feet per year and can reach up to 20 feet. Its unique flowers are sure to be a showstopper in your garden. Trumpet Creeper. The Trumpet Creeper is another fantastic option. Growing 10 to 15 feet per year, its vibrant orange blooms are a magnet for pollinators. Just be ready to prune it back to keep its spread in check. Carolina Jessamine. Carolina Jessamine is perfect for adding a splash of color and fragrance. It grows 3 to 6 feet per year and features lovely yellow flowers. This evergreen vine can climb up to 20 feet. Climbing Roses. Who doesn't love roses? Climbing roses grow 2 to 5 feet per year and will cover any support structure with gorgeous blooms. They need plenty of sunlight to flourish, so make sure they get their daily dose of sun. Honeysuckle. Honeysuckle vines are not only fast-growing but also incredibly fragrant. With a growth rate of 6 to 15 feet per year, they attract hummingbirds and butterflies, reaching up to 12 feet tall. Wisteria. Wisteria is a powerhouse when it comes to fast growth. Growing 10 to 20 feet per year, its fragrant purple flowers bloom in April or May. Be careful though, it can be quite invasive. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is a thorny beauty that thrives in direct sunlight. Growing 5 to 15 feet per year, it can reach heights of 35 to 40 feet, providing a stunning display of color. Black-eyed Susan vine. The black-eyed Susan vine is perfect for bright, cheerful blooms. It grows 3 to 8 feet per year and can quickly climb up to 10 feet tall with plenty of sunlight. Blue sky vine. Blue sky vine, a cousin of the black-eyed Susan, produces beautiful purple-blue flowers. With a growth rate of 8 to 20 feet per year, it's ideal for tall walls, reaching up to 30 feet. Canary Creeper. Canary Creeper's bright yellow blooms are a sight to behold. Growing 10 to 12 feet per year, it's perfect for quickly covering any structure. Chocolate Vine. Chocolate Vine offers clusters of purple flowers and rapid growth. With a growth rate of 10 to 15 feet per year, it can quickly cover any open space. Scarlet Runner Bean. Scarlet Runner Bean is a fantastic choice for both beauty and utility. Growing 10 to 15 feet per year, its scarlet orange flowers attract hummingbirds. Purple Bell Vine. Purple Bell Vine is a perennial with unique dangling flowers. Growing 8 to 10 feet per year, it's perfect for trellises and pergolas. Hyacinth Bean Vine. Hyacinth Bean Vine puts on a stunning show with its pink or purple flowers. Growing 10 to 15 feet per year, it's great for creating a colorful canopy. Last but not least, the Rangoon Creeper. One of the fastest growers, it covers structures with lush foliage and fragrant blooms that change from white to pink to deep red. So there you have it, 17 fast-growing flowering vines to quickly transform your garden into a blooming paradise. Which one are you excited to plant? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!